Hey guys, this is Andy with RC Journeys with the Flyhal F18, which is a clone of the LC Racing. It's not a clone of the 144001. Just to let you guys know that. Here's an update. I had trouble with cogging because great air conditioners came on. Sorry guys. I had this one on there. It was a 23 tooth. And the one on here is a 26, I believe. And I was getting a lot of cogging. Well, now we got an airplane coming over. Alright. Anyway. And I went ahead and bought a stronger ESC. As you see it there is a SRC8, which is a hobby wing. And it's too big. It's way too big. I don't think I'm going to be able to get it on there the way I want to. It's really heavy too. I don't know. I'm gonna see. It's a monster. I should have known, you know, it's for an 8 scale car. But we're gonna see what we do, if we can get it to fit. If not, I'm gonna have to go back to the old one. I ordered 120 amp ESC because this is a 60 or 80. It says it right there, huh? Yeah, it's a 60 amp. And it gets really hot, really fast. It's got 2 caps. I have another cap. I could try to put it on there and see if it can hold some more power, but I don't want to burn stuff up. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to try some different things. I bought some Mod 1 gears here. We can start out at 19, we got 21, or 19, 20, 21, 22, all the way up to where I was, which is 23, where it was cogging. So I'm thinking because of the Mod 1 switch over, that's why we're getting cogging. So I'm going to try go smaller gear and see what happens. And I'll get back to you guys for this 100-mile-an-hour F18 project I'm doing here. The only problem with the CSC is the communication. Once it starts to get hot, the communication cuts in and out. So it's not my receiver, because this is the FlySky 5 receiver. It's not that. So, and it's got a built-in gyro in it as well. So we're just going to try a couple different things, and we see where we get. I didn't think this thing was going to be so big, but it's huge. So anyway, it's another update from RC Journeys, where every day with an RC is a journey. And hopefully we'll see you soon, guys. Thanks for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. I appreciate all your support, guys. Take it easy. Bye for now.